All right, so we are about to head into my brand new stockpile, which I'm so excited. It's actually on the main level now. So as I get my stuff out of the car, I can just come right in and dump it in this room, do my haul video, and have it all be in the same room. How it was going is I had to go all the way to my bedroom, film the haul, and take everything downstairs, and that would get such a mess. So my dad agreed. It was really nice of him. He volunteered to condense his office space so that we could have this room for the stockpile and stuff. So here we go. It's all up in the same room now. Yeah. Dramatic effect. I sucked at doing a Loving it. My new and improved stockpile room plus filming space, which I love. It's awesome. So let's just talk about what is here. So these are all pretty much repurposed shelves and drawers, and these are my main big stockpile shelves. And these are bookcases that, like I said, my dad condensed to the office area. So we were able to take the bookcases, some of the bookcases that he wasn't needing anymore, and utilize them as stockpile storage. So let's just start right in, dive right in. We got all the deodorant right there. Shaving cream. Okay. All right, I did have to get a little bit creative with the Polydent and Polygrip and fixing it next to some cleaning products, but that's what I had to do. And then down there is baby powder, some bar soaps, and these are like Blistex, Carmex, Neutrogena, bar soap. It's just in that. Okay. Up there are all liners, which I know it's going to be kind of hard to get to, but I'm pretty tall, so if somebody needs some, I can just get them down. Here is dish detergent, like Finish, Let Me Shine, some Rite Aid dish gel, and then these are all cards that I got at CVS for really cheap, or free, usually free. Down here, these are all dish products. Dish liquid. Awesome. Love it. This is all from my childhood. This is like a childhood toy shelf I had, hence the Arthur stickers there. But that was that. Okay, and then I also have this big dresser with drawers. I have all my razor stock. I made it set up so that there is room to grow. And in the downstairs stockpile, everything was so shoved, I didn't have room to grow. School supplies, which was a big mess. Okay, if I can get in here, this is all medications. So cold meds, cough drops, Kitty Zyrtec, Culturelle, Little Remedies, all those Band-Aids right there, some stomach medications, Rolaids, Preparation H, Zantac, which I know they came out with this big thing about how it causes cancer, so I'm just going to keep it and see if maybe something changes, but we haven't taken it since then, really. That stuff really did work, though, so that's unfortunate. Okay, and here is more, so like Thermacare, some creams, medication, eye drops, foot care, and vitamins. This is all in there. And then in here, if I can get the dumb thing, it's hard with one hand. This is all trial size products and little Kleenexes. That's about hoarder level there. Okay. Up here is my favorite. I'm able to keep my paper towels and my toilet paper all up here. Plenty of room to grow. Plenty. So I'm really happy with that. All that room for paper products is amazing. This whole shelf is hair care, which I'm kind of embarrassed, but I have a lot of hair care products. Just Suave, Pert, Old Spice, Head & Shoulders. These are stylers, which I would like to get more hairspray still, but that's a decent amount compared to what I had. It's still got plenty of mousse and gel and stuff, and kids shampoo. Pantene, Aussie, and Tresemme. Lots of Tresemme. CVS hands that out like candy, like seriously, all the time. Garnier, Dove, that kind of stuff. And then down there is all that Suave and all that L'Oreal. Okay. Showed you guys the paper goods. Now here's the tissues. Love to get more tissues. And like I said, there's plenty of room to expand more tissues. Because you might be thinking, if you're new, why on earth do I have all this stuff? The couponer philosophy is when it's at its cheapest price, that's when you buy it. Like when this Tide was like 99 cents, it's regularly $10 at like Rite Aid and CVS and stuff. So why would I buy one when I can get it for $1? Why would I not just buy what I'm allowed to buy per the coupon rule? That's the philosophy of couponing. It's like the Era and the all and every brand like that. That's the philosophy. There I have like some Shout, sorry, Spray and Wash Shout, Carbon Stain Devils. And there I just got some tampons because those are really hard to store, so that's how I got them. Here's all the laundry soap, laundry detergent, love that. And then down here are all pods. Tide Pods, Gain, Arm & Hammer All, and Persil. Down here is fabric softener. I got a shelf there, space, because I'm going to get more at Kroger this week. Dryer sheets, and then scent beads, got lots that go back, and Downy and Febreze there. Okay, up there, that's all pads. I know, oh my God, I got pads, but what you gonna do? I have lots of family who uses those. Here are facial products like Simple, Garnier, Olay, St. Ives, and then Pond's. My grandma loves these little Pond's. And then all this lotion stock. So I got Suave, Aveeno, Vaseline, Eucerin, which is the lotion my grandpa has to have. And I got some cotton balls and stuff like that. Okay, this is all hand soap. These are the Shea Moisture. I know you really can't see them that well. But these are Shea Moisture soaps. And these are all body wash. Down here is ladies body wash. And then these are baby wipes, Kleenex wipes, that sort of thing. Down here is mouth. All that's mouthwash. And then I needed a space for these wet naps. So that's where I put those. In here is dental floss, toothbrushes, that sort of stuff. And then in here is the wonderful round of toothpaste. Never have enough toothpaste as a couponer. Like, that's free all the time. Okay, let's move on over to here. Okay. Got all the fabric refresher. So like Snuggle, Febreze. I got Febreze spray. And those Mr. Clean erasers from Shopkick when Shopkick was still really awesome. It still is, but not as much as it used to be. Okay, right here is the Lemmy Shine dish disposal cleaners I got with Ibotta. Febreze card clips, and then I have Lysol wipes. We use those all the time, so those won't stay long. Got toilet bowl cleaner and other cleaner. Then here I have air freshener products, the little plug-ins. And down here I have cleaning products. So Windex, Crud Cutter, 7th generation, and the clean disinfectant that I actually got from Staples for like 20 cents or something. Okay, and then down here are all of the cleaning, or the gallon bags, freezer bags, storage bags for food, and cling wrap, which I want to get some more of this week at Dollar General. So, yeah, that's my new and improved stock. I love it. I think this is great. I worked really hard on this the last 2 days, but I got it done. I love it. Plus, I can film my hauls right here, which is going to make my life so much easier, so I don't have to constantly be like toting stuff from my room to the basement. It's all going to be in this room, one confined space, perfect for the Stockpile. So that's my Stockpile tour. All right, so I know some of you guys just clicked on this because it's Stockpile tour. However, this video is not done. This is day 3 of Vlogmas. Now, if you haven't seen my other Vlogmases, I totally understand maybe that's not your thing. But Vlogmas is going on where from December 1st to Christmas Day, I might go till the day after Christmas, I don't know, is me vlogging my life and various things. So, not just couponing. I noticed the views on my Sunday vlog were so much better because they went couponing. But some days it'll be couponing, some days it'll be like school stuff, Christmas outings, just life. It's just various life happenings. That's the point. So for December, you guys can like get to know me more, see what I do, and that's that. So what's on the agenda? Done this. I gone to school already. That was on the agenda. I went to school. I went to, I think anywhere else yet. I'm going to go to Walmart and Dollar Tree. I went to, I got on and chatted with Rite Aid to get my, okay, so the Vanity Fair napkins I bought on Sunday, if you guys remember that. She rang him up and used my bonus cash for my coupon, and she insisted we could return it. She said we could return it, and apparently she thought she returned it, but she didn't. So I got charged for it. And then she rang it up again to use my coupons. I actually got charged for one of them I don't even have. So I got on and just chatted with Rite Aid customer service. They had no problem. They just credited me $1. So it was really nice of them. They got the best customer service over at Rite Aid. Corporate does. And then, though, CVS, so the whole Hallmark thing, I actually called, and I waited on the line for 20 minutes, and they never answered. I kept saying, someone will be with you soon, blah, 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 blah. And I was done. I was not going to spend more time waiting for $3. So I noticed CVS's website has an email form. I'm going to try to send them an email and see if maybe they'll get the money back that way. If not, I don't know. It happens. So, like I said, I want to go to Walmart and Dollar Tree because I have a couple Ibotta stuff, and I want to do that. And I got some school to do. I need to finish getting things ready for the gift exchange with Financial Phoenix and Kaylee Saves Money. So, yeah. So, that's the agenda. And I'm just going to let you guys follow me around like usual. So, Vlogmas round 3. Well, really round 4 because of Thanksgiving. I have not been filming because Walmart is a madhouse. But I went to Dollar Tree and they didn't have the toilet paper and they didn't have the mouthwash. And then I went to Walmart and they didn't, nothing worked out. Like the Stetson, someone told me it was working. I don't know if they just changed it or what, but it's not scanning for the rebate. So all I'm going to leave Walmart with is a sad thing of Tide Pods. No video for you guys for matchups. I'm upset right now. Alright, so here I am editing the video. I like to edit as I go during the day. Just like if I can, just upload the clips to the video. I'm a little annoyed because I need 59 more rebates to make this Ibotta thing happen, the big 20 on 70, and it's not gonna, unless some amazing thing shows up, I need like to get 20 rebates a week to make that happen. And I got like 1 today. So I don't know what to do at this point. I'm really frustrated. I don't really know what to do. Things need to step up on Ibotta before Christmas because, you know, I'd like to finish that bonus, but anymore, just like the drugstores, even though I was really annoyed with them this week, but I still feel like they've been at least having deals when Ibotta's been pretty slow for a couple weeks. Like, it really picked up there for a little bit, but then it just, like, went back downhill again. So I'm hoping that things come back. Like, I did, like, in September, I had almost $500 in rebates. In the last 2 months, I hadn't even had $200. So things are just boring lately. I hope things hurry up and pick back up again because I missed the rebates on Ibotta, but I don't know. So that's the story. So now I'm going to do some schoolwork, probably my business test, management test for my management class, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll catch up with you guys after that. Alright, so we had chili for dinner tonight, and I want to just quickly, like a mid-video poll question. I only usually do these for Kroger, but I really like getting feedback on Vlogmas. Like, I love reading y'all's comments. Anyways, this is what we had for dinner. Chili, no sugar in it, because the thought of having sugar in chili, I don't know why it makes me want to, like, throw up. I don't know why. But I put sour cream, cheese, and tortilla chips on top, and that's just, like, the only way I like it. Like, I don't want it any other way, so let me know what you guys do for your chili. I know there's so many variations. Like I said, people put sugar in it. Some people put like spaghetti noodles in it or something and cinnamon. I know it's the big thing, Cincinnati chili. So I don't know. Really interesting. Kind of fun. It's like a food. Like, why is there so many different ways to make it? But I don't know. Let me know that in the comments. Alright, y'all, so I finally got around to pairing my wireless headphones, and I gotta say, I love it. I look ridiculous with headphones on in the camera, but they're awesome. And these were only $15 at Walmart. I got them on Black Friday, but apparently that's the everyday low price. They're the On brand, super easy to pair, and I love it. These are really great headphones, super loud, and like, just perfect. I'm a person who needs music. It doesn't matter if I'm doing school, if I'm doing work, whatever. I need music going at all times. So, I love it. So, I noticed the vlog was very boring, but you get to see the Stockpile tour, which was nice. I don't think there's too much else to talk about. I started doing my bullet journal for tomorrow, and it's a busy day, but it's not a lot of tasks. So, it's pretty much just Kroger videos, 2 different Kroger videos, and then Vlogmas, and then I need to, like, clean my room. I need to try to work to finish my stats project. group project, because tomorrow is actually the last time that our group in class can work on it. So we need to just like get it done, or as close to done as possible. So yeah, that's what tomorrow's looking like. Like I said, the schedule's kind of all changed around. I have a class at school that I don't have the second class, so then I'm going to try to do my Kroger video. Then I have to be back at the school for 2 more classes. So it's kind of going to be a hectic day, but I'm hoping I can get my Kroger video out to you guys earlier. So I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's it for today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see in the future from Vlogmas. Would you like to see bullet journal stuff, more couponing stuff, anything you guys just want me to talk about? Because I'm always down for stuff like that. Maybe another Q&A. I did that last year. Maybe another Q&A video. And of course, I am planning on sharing other things I do. So, like, we should be going out of town soon because we want to see some Christmas lights. And a really nice subscriber actually sent me, they're a manager at an Outback Steakhouse, and she sent me a bunch of gift cards, which was so nice of her. I was really shocked when she did that. And it's like enough for me and my family to go out to eat. So like, whoa, that's amazing. So we don't have one in Zanesville, but I believe there's one in Columbus, and then there's one in St. Clairsville. So one of those 2 locations we'll pick and go, because I don't want to let that go to waste. It's really awesome. So be eating like a king then, right? So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, so there's more to come from Vlogmas. So let me know in the comments, what are some things you guys would like to see from Vlogmas? Or do you just enjoy the day-to-day and don't really want anything special? You know, it's the point, I guess. So that's all I got for now, and thank you guys for watching.